Hi, Rod with Terracom here. We're going to show you how to use the bed exit device, in particular the Fall Fighter brand name, when connected to your Dukane nurse call system. So in a previous video I showed all the components of the bed exit system and how it pieces together and connects to the nurse call. Now I'm going to show you how it actually functions. So this pad, we just have it on the surface for demo use, but usually you'll put it under the sheet so the resident can lay on. They don't have to lay directly on it. So you can have this under the initial bed sheet on the mattress, like on top of the mattress. So I'm going to show what happens when you sit a resident down, you lay them down. Of course, the bed controller will be probably hanging somewhere else. We're going to put our weight on there, and you're going to get a little beep confirmation like that. The beep confirmation lets you know that the device sensed the resident's weight on it, and the light's going to be blinking there just to show you that somebody's on there. So I have this bed exit device set for a 2-second delay. So let's say I'm a resident and I maybe shuffle throughout the night. So let's say I shuffle, I get off for a second there, and I go back on. You see, the thing didn't actually trigger an alarm there, but it gave me an alert when it sensed the weight again. So I can go back down again, and it didn't trigger an alert. So let's say a resident actually did completely get off. If it's the middle of the night or whatever, and they get out of bed and you didn't want them to, they're gonna get off the bed, and after a couple second delay, we're gonna actually get the call station. We'll start blinking cancel, showing there's an active call. And on the phone, we have bed 1 auxiliary in room 1102, which we're in. So I can answer this, and I might get a bit of feedback because I'm in the room, and I'm gonna hang it up. We could have been able to talk to the resident through there. I just didn't for the video. So you're going to come in the room. Maybe the resident's standing up. Maybe they're halfway out of the bed. Attend to the resident. You're going to see that this cancel light is blinking, and also the light on here is blinking, showing that it went into alarm. So you'll just place the resident back in bed, or let's say we just want to reset it so that let's say they were getting up in anticipation of lunch. You're just going to come to this device. You're going to hit the reset button here. One time, the light stops blinking there, and the light stops blinking there, showing you that the call is completely cleared. So let's say that you want to actually transport a resident, they're in the bed, you want to take them for an activity, a meal, what have you. They're laying in the bed. So I'm going to mimic that. So I'm in the bed right now. You come in and you take care of the resident. What you're going to do is you're going to get them off the bed, and then within 2 seconds, you're going to press that reset button on the front. And that made it so that we're not getting a call on the phone right now. We were able to bypass it. The key is, though, is you have to first lift the resident off the pad and then press the reset button within 2 seconds of getting them off the pad to avoid an alarm going through. That's how you reset that. So that is how you use this system. Thank you.